In today's fast-paced software development world, developers are increasingly relying on AI coding agents like Claude Code, Codex, and Gemini. Each of these tools brings unique strengths to the table, but using them together often means juggling different setups, authentication flows, and configuration patterns. This fragmentation can slow you down, especially when you want to quickly switch between agents or experiment with different models. Wouldn't it be great if you could manage all your favorite coding agents from a single unified interface? That's exactly the challenge we're tackling in this video as we explore how Bifrost CLI brings everything together. Over the past few months, AI coding agents have become essential tools for developers. Claude Code is leading the pack, Codex is a staple for those in the OpenAI ecosystem, and Gemini is quickly gaining traction as a robust terminal assistant. But the real pain point emerges when you try to use more than one. Each agent comes with its own authentication, base URLs, and configuration quirks. This not only creates friction, but also disrupts your workflow. The idea of a single interface isn't just about convenience, it's about enabling developers to work more flexibly and efficiently, without constantly reconfiguring their environment. Enter Bifrost CLI, a tool designed to solve the fragmentation problem by acting as a universal gateway for coding agents. Instead of treating Claude Code, Gemini, and Codex as separate workflows, Bifrost CLI lets you launch them all from one interface, routing everything through the Bifrost gateway. This means you can choose your gateway, harness, and model interactively, without manually stitching together configurations. The result? A seamless experience where you can focus on coding, not setup. Before diving into the CLI, it's important to understand what Bifrost actually is. Bifrost acts as an AI gateway, sitting between your tools and the underlying model providers. Instead of wiring each tool directly to every provider, Bifrost provides a unified layer that supports observability, governance, caching, failover, and load balancing. This means you get a consistent, reliable interface for all your coding agents, making your workflow more robust and manageable. To get started, you first launch the Bifrost gateway locally using a simple command. Once the gateway is running, you open a new terminal and start the Bifrost CLI. The CLI guides you through an interactive setup, letting you choose your gateway, harness, and model. No more manual configuration files or environment variables. Just a streamlined, guided process that gets you up and running quickly. To use Bifrost CLI with Claude Code, Codex, and Gemini, you'll need to have each agent's CLI installed. The process is straightforward. Install Claude Code, Codex CLI, and Gemini CLI using their respective commands. Once installed, you can launch each agent directly, but the real magic happens when you connect them through Bifrost CLI, allowing for unified management and flexible model selection. With the agents installed, you're ready to launch Bifrost CLI. Simply run the Bifrost command in your terminal. The CLI opens an interactive session where you can select which coding agent to use, pick your preferred model, and adjust session settings all from one place. This eliminates the need for separate configuration files and manual environment variable management. The real benefit of Bifrost CLI is not just launching multiple agents from one interface, but plugging them all into the same control layer. This opens the door to a more flexible workflow, where you can access different models, observe agent activity, and configure settings all routed through the Bifrost gateway. It's a game changer for developers who want more control and less hassle. Bifrost CLI replaces manual, config-heavy workflows with an interactive setup flow. You launch the CLI, select your gateway URL, enter an optional virtual key, choose your coding harness, and pick the model you want to use. The CLI automatically configures everything for you, fetching available models and installing missing agents if needed. This makes onboarding new agents or models a breeze. One of the standout features of Bifrost CLI is its persistent, tabbed terminal UI. Each session runs in its own tab, with activity badges indicating whether a session is updating, idle, or has raised an alert. This makes it easy to manage multiple coding tasks simultaneously, switch between agents, and keep track of your workflow all without leaving the terminal. Bifrost CLI takes security seriously. Virtual keys are stored in your operating system's key ring, not in plaintext config files. Regular defaults like base URL, harness, and model are saved in the CLI config, keeping your workflow state handy without exposing sensitive information. This thoughtful split ensures both convenience and security for developers. Let's start with Claude Code, a favorite among developers. With Bifrost CLI, you don't need to worry about manual configuration. Simply launch the CLI, select Claude Code as your harness, pick your model, and adjust session settings all from the interactive terminal. This guided flow makes it easy to get started and switch models or settings as needed. One of the biggest advantages of using Bifrost CLI is the flexibility it offers in model selection. You're not locked into a single provider or model. Bifrost's Universal Model Access lets you choose any provider or model configured in the gateway. This means you can experiment with different models for the same agent, opening up new possibilities for your workflow. Bifrost CLI offers advanced features like worktree mode for Claude Code. This is especially useful when you want to isolate a feature branch or run parallel coding tasks. The CLI can also automatically attach its MCP server for Claude Code, making integration even smoother and more powerful for complex workflows. To launch Claude Code through Bifrost CLI, start the Bifrost gateway, run the CLI, confirm Claude Code as the harness, pick your model, adjust settings, and press Enter. Claude Code will start through Bifrost, giving you all the benefits of unified management and flexible model selection right from your terminal. Next up is Codex. With Bifrost CLI, you can launch Codex using the same interactive workflow. Just switch the harness to Codex, pick your model, and start your session. Bifrost's translation layer even allows Codex to use models from other providers, not just OpenAI. This flexibility is a major advantage for developers who want to experiment and compare different models. Bifrost CLI lets Codex run with models like Anthropic, Claude Sonnet, or Gemini 2, 5 Pro, thanks to its translation capabilities. This means you're not limited to OpenAI-hosted models. Codex can leverage the strengths of other providers, all within the same workflow. Just remember, for non-OpenAI models, tool use capabilities must be supported for full compatibility. A practical tip: Codex prefers OAuth over custom API keys, and it's recommended to run logout before configuring the Bifrost gateway with Codex. Also, ensure that any non-OpenAI models you use support the tool use features Codex expects. These small details help ensure a smooth experience when integrating Codex into your Bifrost workflow. By the time you get to Gemini, the value of Bifrost CLI becomes even clearer. You're no longer learning a third setup or managing a separate configuration path. Instead, you use the same Bifrost interface, the same launch flow, and the same model selection workflow. Just switch the harness to Gemini, pick your model, and launch all from the same terminal screen. With Bifrost, Gemini CLI traffic is routed through the gateway, giving you access to any provider or model configured in your Bifrost setup. This means Gemini is not limited to Google-hosted models. You can run Gemini CLI with models like OpenAI, GPT-5, or Anthropic, Claude Sonnet, as long as those models support the tool use features Gemini relies on. One honest caveat: Gemini CLI relies on tool calling for file operations, terminal commands, and code editing. So, when using non-Google models, make sure they support these capabilities for full compatibility. This ensures that your workflow remains smooth and that all features work as expected. After using Claude Code, Codex, and Gemini through Bifrost CLI, the biggest takeaway is that the real value isn't just having multiple agents in one place. The true benefit is having one interface for working across both agents and models. This flexibility changes the workflow, making it easier to compare agent behavior, experiment with model choice, and reduce setup friction. Traditionally, coding agents and models are tightly coupled: Claude Code with one family of models, Codex with another, Gemini with its own defaults. Bifrost breaks this pattern, letting you pair any supported agent with any configured model. This universal model access is a game changer for developers who want to experiment and optimize their workflows. With Bifrost CLI, you get a consistent workflow for choosing a coding agent, selecting a model, changing those choices, and moving across sessions, all from the same terminal interface. This consistency makes it easy to focus on your work rather than on managing different setups for each tool. One of the practical benefits of Bifrost CLI is the ability to easily compare agent behavior on the same tasks. Instead of setting up each tool separately, you can move between Claude Code, Codex, and Gemini from the same interface, focusing on how each agent performs rather than on setup details. Bifrost CLI makes it easy to experiment with different models for any coding agent. Whether you want to try a new provider or compare performance across models, Bifrost turns model selection into a normal part of your workflow, not a separate integration task. This encourages experimentation and helps you find the best fit for your needs. Even when configuration isn't hard, repeating it across multiple tools gets tedious. Bifrost CLI eliminates this friction by providing a single interactive flow, remembered settings, and a persistent terminal UI. This saves time and lets you focus on what matters most, building great software. Bifrost CLI is more than just a launcher for coding agents. It acts as a control layer, managing routing, observability, and governance underneath the agents. This unified approach keeps your workflow consistent and flexible, making it easier to move across agents and models without losing momentum. Bifrost's universal model access means you can use any supported agent with any configured model. This flexibility is at the heart of what makes Bifrost CLI so powerful. Whether you're a solo developer or part of a larger team, this approach streamlines your workflow and opens up new possibilities for collaboration and experimentation. After using Claude Code, Codex, and Gemini through Bifrost CLI, it's clear that the value goes far beyond convenience. Bifrost CLI fundamentally changes the developer workflow, making it easier to move across agents, experiment with different model combinations, and keep the overall experience consistent. If you want the flexibility to work with multiple coding agents from the same terminal workflow, Bifrost CLI is a practical and powerful solution.